Hi guys, so I want to share something with you real quick. This is my intro for everything, real quick, because I only got a minute. Trophy Skin has sent me this in-home microdermabrasion kit. I've used it a couple of times, but I haven't used it long enough to be able to do like a before and after comparison for you guys. The two times that I've used it, the immediate result was that my skin felt silky smooth, like baby's bum. Yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is to go wash off my face and do a quick little demo. It's so easy. It has like a auto setting that you can just do it. I know that some of the things that microdermabrasion, learn how to spell it first before doing the video or pronounce it. It helps with acne scars, sun damage, just to name a few. I'm no doctor here, so I'm not gonna list a bunch of things, but those are the stuff that I know. Oh, it has another tip for blackheads. That's pretty awesome, but I gotta warn you, you gotta be careful. It has like a setting and it tells you to lower the setting because you're not supposed to pull on your skin. My friend and I were like pulling, both ended up with bruises. Adjust the intensity and do not pull on your skin. You're gonna end up with a bruise. That's my warning to you. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. I'm gonna demonstrate how to use it so you can go wash this off. How about I stop talking and just go wash my face? You guys wanna go with me? No? Like, why not? Let's just all go do this together. It'll be like a bonding experience. No? Okay, cool. I removed my makeup, so I'm gonna do a quick demonstration of how this thing works. I'm gonna do the auto setting, and the auto setting, it tells me where to go instead of me guessing where to go. See, when you do auto, it tells you the level, the timer, and everything. And I push start. This is just to show you what shows up on the screen. So it's telling me to do forehead. It has a timer. When it's time to move to a different spot, it will tell me. Now it's telling me to do here. First time you do it is kind of scary because it sucks your skin and you freak out, but don't worry, you'll be fine. Now we move to here. And that's it. Don't worry if it's red, it'll go away. Yeah, you're supposed to wash your face right after. It already feels like so smooth. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to ask me any questions you have, like in the comment section, and I'll try to answer all of them, or some of them, depending on how many I get. I'm gonna go put some moisturizer and stuff on my face. So I don't know if you guys can tell, it already feels like so smooth. Like I look 10 years younger. Like you know, like I've done so much plastic surgery. I'm just kidding. Alright, I'm gonna go now.